Hey man, hope you're doing well. I just wanted to send you a quick video going over some of my thoughts in relation to the testing. Now, I know this 3 weeks has probably been pretty brutal for you. There's been probably a lot of frustrating moments, and I apologise for that. That's not the intention. The intention is for us to just have an honest look about where you sit in relation to a load of tests that we really want you to crush to be able to compete within the Open in CrossFit. So that's why we've done these tests. So yeah, I know it's been grueling, but we're there now, the other side of it. The main takeaway, which none of what I'm going to say to you now is going to be a surprise to you, is that we just need to work on getting you stronger. I think that's the main stopping point, the main thing that's holding you back at the moment. Improving strength is going to improve your ability in the gymnastics work, and improving your ability and everything like that. Okay, so we really need to spend some time the first 6 months of the year, next year, working on just getting you stronger. So things like your front squat, we want them up to like a 1.3 body weight squat. That's a good marker for that. There's a load of other kind of places we want to go with it, but the main thing to think about is that like the first part of next year is going to be us getting you stronger. Okay, so for that to happen, we're going to need to make sure your sleep is awesome and stress is low. Okay, we need to work on those things to make sure we give ourselves the best chance to adapt to the stimulus and to grow. Okay, how we're going to do this, I'm going to plan out the next year for you. I'm going to get on over that over the weekend, share that with you, and then we'll go from there. But volume wise, we're probably going to take you back to 3 times a week, or maybe 4 times a week based on kind of how the program looks. But I want to kind of give you the best chance to train, adapt and grow, rather than trying to throw you into the ground. Aerobically, we're not going to do much, maybe a little bit of blood flow in your days off, but I just literally want you to lift, eat, sleep, repeat, get strong. Okay, I'll send you a bit more of an overview over the weekend, but from my point of view here, good job on the testing. Well done for getting through us, and this is a brutal period of testing. I've done it, so let's just work on getting you stronger, man.